Introduction of Spreadsheet and its basic components. Spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is a software that stores data and information in the form of rows and columns. There are many spreadsheet software are available like Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, OpenOffice.org, Calc, etc. How to start a spreadsheet program? We need to follow the following steps to start spreadsheet software. Click on the Start button on the taskbar. Click on All Programs. Click on Microsoft Excel. A blank sheet would be displayed on your monitor screen. Basic components of spreadsheet. There are many components of spreadsheet software. Let us discuss them one by one. 1. Workbook. The document which we create in Excel is called as Workbook. The extension of a workbook is .xlsx. It contains 3 sheets by default and can be extended up to 255 worksheets. 2. Worksheet. A worksheet is a collection of rows and columns. It is the place where we enter data in Excel. A worksheet contains 10,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns. 3. Rows and columns. The rows in an Excel sheet are numbered vertically like 1, 2, 3 and so on till 10,48,576 and columns in an Excel sheet are named horizontally as A, B, C and so on till IV. 4. Cell. A cell is an intersection of row and column. It is the most basic unit of a worksheet. 5. Cell address. The cell address is column name followed by row number. It is used to identify the cell in the workbook. For example, if row 8 and column C intersect, the address of the cell formed by this intersection becomes C8. Components of spreadsheet. Cell range. It refers to a group of cells that are adjacent to each other and forms a rectangular shape. Active cell. The cell which is clicked or where the mouse pointer is currently becomes an active cell. Formula bar. This is the area where we can edit the contents of the cell or we write formulas. This is next to the name box. Cell pointer. It is the thick green boundary that surrounds the active cell. Name box. It is the place which shows the address of the cell. Navigating in a worksheet. There are many ways to navigate in a worksheet. We can move around through scroll bar, arrow keys and mouse. The first method through which we can navigate through worksheet are using various key combinations. We can use various combinations of keys to move in the worksheet. Using the name box. We can directly move to a particular cell by typing the address of the cell in the name box. For example, if we want to move to cell C8, then we can type C8 in the name box and the cursor will automatically reach there. Using the Go To dialog box. Another method of navigating in a worksheet is by using the Go To dialog box. We can go to Edit menu and click on Go To option. Enter the cell address in the reference text box. As we press Enter key, the cursor will automatically move to that particular cell. Navigating and saving formulas in the workbook. Navigating between worksheet. To move between the worksheets, we can click on the sheet tabs which are located on the bottom of the sheet. We can directly click on the Sheet tab and choose the sheet which we want to open. In case the number of sheets are more, then we can choose the sheet scrolling buttons to move from one sheet to another. Scrolling buttons. Scrolling buttons are those buttons that help to move from one sheet to another in a workbook. There are 4 scrolling buttons in a workbook. How to save a workbook? We can save the workbook in the hard drive of the computer. We need to follow the following steps to save the worksheet. Click on the File menu or press Alt+F or go to the standard toolbar of the worksheet. Click on Save As option from the File menu or click on Save option from standard toolbar. Choose the locations where you want to save the file. Type the name with which you want to save the file. Click on Save. Your file will be saved with that name. Opening a workbook. We can open any existing workbook in it. There are certain steps which we need to follow to open a workbook. Click on the File menu or Standard toolbar. Choose the option Open from File menu or Standard toolbar. Select the name by clicking on it. The file will be open. Using formulas and functions. There is a difference between the formulas and functions. Formula is an expression that calculates the value of a cell. For example, equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 is a formula that adds up the values in cells A1 to A4. Function is a predefined formula which is already available in Excel. Entering formulas in Excel. A formula in Excel always starts with equal to symbol. Otherwise, it will be taken as a text entry. A formula in Excel helps in performing calculations. Formulas are mathematical calculations. It helps to establish a relationship between 2 or more cells. A formula contains the cell address of the cells that are used in the formulas, operators and functions. A formula automatically calculates the results if there is any change in the values.